The cryptocurrency market is attempting to recoup its losses, but it's still too early to say whether the asset class's downfall, which Mark Cuban has dubbed as the Great Unwind, is over. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please consider giving this video a huge thumbs up, turn on the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post notifications so that you never miss out on new uploads from us. With this drill being completed, let's get started with today's video. For investors hoping to profit from well-known names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is dismal news. It's particularly terrible news for anyone betting on speculative altcoins like BitTorrent. It may have not had the same amount of success as Dogecoin. BitTorrent, on the other hand, increased 40-fold between January and April, following in the footsteps of other altcoins. Those who bought it near the top are now sitting on enormous losses. BTT-USD has dropped to around 4 cents after soaring to rates above 1 cent. That's a 60% drop from its previous highs. So, what does the future hold for BitTorrent, a contentious file-sharing program with the same name? Another drop to fractions of a penny, where it traded as recently as January, isn't ruled out. However, with retail speculators fleeing the market and possible crypto price drops ahead, it does not appear that BitTorrent will recover very soon. With this in mind, it might be advisable to wait until the market stabilizes before dabbling in the altcoin. BitTorrent, BTT-USD, is a utility token for BitTorrent, a peer-to-peer file sharing program. The BitTorrent Foundation, based in Singapore, developed BTT on Tron blockchain in 2019, an operating system for developing decentralized applications and sharing audiovisual content. BitTorrent was developed in 2004 as a file-sharing program. The most common method of downloading movies, music, or games via torrent is through file sharing. There is no limit to the size of a file. BitTorrent provides torrent clients for a variety of operating systems. It recently topped 2 billion installations and has over 100 million active users. According to data published by SimilarWeb, India, the United States, Brazil, and Russia accounted for over 30% of total website visitors between January and March 2021. The recent Coinbase Global Nasdaq Coin initial public offering IPO is seen by cryptocurrency investors as the start of a blockchain boom, similar to the internet bubble of the late 1990s. BitTorrent is up more than 1,960% year-to-date. In other words, a $1,000 investment in BTT in January is now worth about $20,000. The price of BitTorrent is currently hovering around 0.0065, with a market capitalization of $4.3 billion. It failed to catch on as a speculative vehicle in a crowded sector of altcoins, which includes a slew of dog-themed cryptos inspired by Dogecoin. At the end of the day, BitTorrent's biggest selling point was its speed. Due to their high utility and broad use in blockchain or decentralized financial transactions, Ethereum, Cardano, and Polygon were positioned to skyrocket. BitTorrent, on the other hand, has never enjoyed those advantages. It was either going to blow up because of the meme coin craze, or it wasn't. It turns out that the latter was the case, and as more speculators are scared away by the latest crypto crisis, its chances of making a recovery are bleak. In theory, it's difficult to predict when a market will bottom. It's nearly impossible in the case of Bitcoin. Things in the crypto sphere can change on a dime thanks to 24-hour trading and high volatility. Despite this, some cryptocurrency investors believe the recent slump is nearly over and that another round of price expansion is just around the corner. While this more optimistic viewpoint may win out, it does not bode well for BitTorrent's revival. There's hardly much to persuade investors to bid it up again. In recent months, the cryptocurrency market has seen a lot of green. As a result, many people want to get in on the crypto rush without doing their homework on the cryptocurrencies or tokens they're interested in. So, let's spend a few minutes learning about what makes the BitTorrent token special. The Tron Foundation purchased BitTorrent in July 2018, then, in order to reward users for their bandwidth, the utility token BTT was created. The total number of BTT tokens available is 990 billion. The BitTorrent team and its foundation receive 19% of all tokens, while the Tron Foundation gets 20%. In 2020, more coins are anticipated to be unlocked. The company battled for years to commercialize its wildly successful service. However, after BitTorrent was acquired by the Tron Foundation, everything has changed. To spread the protocol and incentivize the network's participants, the new proprietors established a coin with the same name. Individuals who require quicker download and upload speeds, as well as other services that would otherwise be inaccessible to them as free users, can utilize the BTT coin. The technology ultimately enhances service quality and lays the groundwork for the platform's future expansion. BTT has a finite amount of 990 billion tokens, and distribution begins in early 2019. The BitTorrent Foundation will unleash more currencies in 2028. The BitTorrent team and its foundation receive 19% of all tokens, while the Tron Foundation gets 20%. The currency's ecosystem received approximately 19.9% of the tokens, while other partnerships obtained only 4%. BTT is a Tron Protocol TRC10 cryptographic token. Users can essentially operate as either service requesters or providers in the ecosystem. Within the platform's dynamics, it's fundamentally an incentive-based system. When a service provider receives a bid from a requester, the transaction takes place. This method starts the transaction between the parties by initiating a payment channel on a ledger. Until the requester acknowledges the transaction is complete, the process includes verification steps at every step. For the most part, BitTorrent has had it tough. It struggled to gain traction in 2019 and 2020, but has picked up significantly since the start of the year. Although volatility remains high, BTT's performance over the last few months has been consistent. At this time, there are a variety of price projections for BTT, the majority of which indicate a significant increase in price from current levels. BTT is expected to be worth around 1 cent this year, according to Digital Coin Analysis. Furthermore, they anticipate an annual price hike until at least 2028. BTT's price is expected to grow significantly this year, according to Trading Beast specialists. They also predicted to end the year at around 1 cent on average, with a significantly monthly rise after May. According to analysis on website Coinpedia, BTT has the potential to be worth $1 by the end of this year and could perhaps reach $3 by 2022. The price of BitTorrent has recovered. On May 7th, the BTT price increased by more than 20%, bringing its entire market worth to nearly $5.6 billion. It has also climbed to become the world's 31st largest digital currency. BitTorrent has defied expectations. While many cryptocurrencies have decreased, such as Ethereum and Bitcoin, it has climbed for 3 days in a row. This is due in part to investors who have been buying dips and the BitTorrent network's general activity. The latest partnership between Tron and maker DAO is also likely to play a factor in the rally. As a result of the agreement, the two networks will be able to expand their collaboration in the future. This is significant since BitTorrent is owned by Tron, a company founded by Justin Sun. The bullish breakout occurred last week, which was followed by the 3 white soldiers pattern. At the time, the 25-day and 50-day moving averages are supporting the price, and the Relative Strength Index (RSI) has gone upward. As a result, we believe the price will continue to rise as bulls aim for the April 17th high of 0.0109, which is 30% higher than the present level. A return to the flag pattern at 0.0068, on the other hand, will invalidate this trend. BitTorrent is a promising altcoin that allows investors to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Despite its strong short-term volatility, BTT's performance has been consistent over the last few months. Furthermore, the BitTorrent platform's rising user base should continue to sustain BTT's price. It's possible that the next price target will be 1 cent. Nonetheless, the BTT price will be determined by the overall performance of the cryptocurrency industry in the coming years. Those with risk money in crypto should invest around these and plan to hold for 2 or 3 years. In the medium term, though, the price should remain turbulent. Furthermore, it will continue to improve the overall performance of its platform, resulting in a larger market for its cryptocurrency. Analysts believe that the stock market will continue to rise for the rest of the year and beyond. As a result, it is prudent to invest in BitTorrent and reap the benefits in the next few months. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please note that the content in this video is for entertainment purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. All the financial decisions should be made after doing your own research. If you found this video informational and wish to see more of such content, Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on post notifications so that you always get notified whenever we post a new video. Till then, keep watching our other videos relating to cryptos. We will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!